Dapitan Arcade is the most popular place to source decoration, furniture pieces, and other crafts in Metro Manila. Chiefly known for its overflowing options for Christmas ornaments. Of course, there are other products including lighting or lamps, kitchen tools and utensils, vintage-looking items, picture frames, trinkets, and whatnot. But what attracts loyal customers and curious people is the relatively low price, cheaper than the average market rates. This is where manufacturers unload big bulk of their factory excess, export overruns, or surplus. Hence, it is sometimes called bagsaken. The shops will then sell these export quality items for a price lower than the market average. Win-win. Originally, Dapitan Arcade mainly refers to the old building on the corner of Dapitan Street and Canlaon Street, but it eventually evolved into an inclusive surplus shop community that covers the main building and the surrounding tents, stalls, and even other buildings in the area. What are the products sold at Dapitan Arcade? From the moment you arrive, you will be bombarded with various kinds of items. It's an overwhelming experience. Items sold vary. There are stalls that sell the same stuff over the years, but there are also those that switch items or modify their displays, depending on the season. Others just add seasonal items to their regular products. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.